Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome back. We had a very cold stretch of weather there, so hopefully it will get warmed up very soon. Today is Friday, February 1st, and here are some morning announcements. For January birthdays to announce, to finish those out, we have Joel Olson and Adam Herman, so happy birthday for your last days of the month birthday in January. And then for our February birthdays, we have Corey Bennett, Ava Winder, Jackson Winder, Nathan Chambers, and Ava Hoffa. Happy birthday to you. A couple of you have birthdays over the weekend, so happy birthday early to you. I did put the riddle of the week up there for Friday. If a red house is made of red bricks and a yellow house is made of yellow bricks, what is a greenhouse made out of? So if you know the answer to the riddle for this week, find me and see if you are the first to get the correct answer for a prize. Also, boys and girls, if you are participating in the World's Finest Chocolate fundraiser for the PTCO, those permission slips have to be returned back before you can start selling chocolate. And also, just a reminder too, our Future Chefs recipe cards were due back today. So if you have them, please turn them in. Right now we have some tentative lunch choices, so I don't know for sure if these are it because right when I'm doing the announcements, it's 2 days earlier, so this might have changed, but it's Colby cheese omelet, Galaxy pizza, or American sub. And for our pause, we have for our third grade students here to go over some things for our pause behaviors.
All right, we have some third grade students here who came up with things for individual pause. So each one of them are going to be talking about something you could do with pause and an example of it.
Be quiet and whisper talk in the library because people are testing. Work hard and never give up. Don't stand up while the teacher's talking. Talk to your neighbor. Never talk when other people are talking. Be respectful.
Those are great examples. Thank you very much, guys.
And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, third grade. And remember, boys and girls, if you know the answer for the riddle, or if you see me in the hallways or in the cafeteria or classroom, see if you're the first one to get the correct answer and you get a prize for the day. Make sure you bundle up. Make sure we stay warm. Remember, choices are yours. Let's make some great ones today.